3 power a plus 3 power a is equal to 100. Find the value of a. So at first we take common 3 power a. So 3 power a is out of the bracket. This divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1, bracket close, is equal to 100. Now we have 3 power a times 1 plus 1, that means it will be 2, then here is equal to 100. Now we divided by 2 in both sides. So divided by 2 divided by 2. We see this 2 will be cancelled. So we have 3 power a is equal to 100 divided by 2, that means it will be 50. Now we apply log in both sides. Log of 3 power a is equal to log of 50. Now here we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power moved to the base. So according to this rule, here this power a will move to the base, so it will be a log 3. Then here is equal to log 50 can be written as log of 5 times 10. In the next step, we have a log 3 is equal to, here we apply this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it will be log 5 plus log 10. Now we divided by log 3 in both sides because we need the value of a. So divided by log 3 divided by log 3. We see this log 3 will be cancelled. So we have a is equal to this part of log 3 plus this part of log 3. So log 5 of log 3 plus log 10 log 10 of log 3. Now we have a is equal to, here we apply this formula, log a of log b is equal to log a base b. So it will be log 5 base 3, then plus log 10 can be written as log of 5 times 2 of log 3. In the next step, a is equal to log 5 base 3 plus log of 5 times 2 is same as log 5 plus log 2 of log 3. Now we have a is equal to log 5 base 3 log 5 base 3 then plus log 5 of log 3 then here plus log 2 of log 3. Now we have a is equal to log 5 base 3 plus log 5 over log 3 is same as log 5 base 3, then plus log 2 over log 3 is same as log 2 base 3. Now we have a is equal to here log 5 base 3, here log 5 base 3. So log 5 base 3 plus log 5 base 3, so it will be 2 log 5 base 3, then here plus log 2 base 3. So this is the value of x, so this is the value of a, so this is our final answer.